Happy Father's Day, Dad. We're going to go fishing. I told you I'd surprise you. That's the boat we're going to take out right there. Let's go. Yeah, I always like fishing with you, Dad. I got this boat ready early this morning so we could go fishing together. I got 2 rods baited up. They're in the water and ready to go. Yeah, I got bait. Soft taco shells. What do you mean that won't catch a fish? Wait. I think I'm getting a bite. Right there. Get him, Dad. Dad's got a fish. What you got there? Hey, that's a channel cat. Those are good eating. It's about the good size to eat, too. Get you a nice sandwich off of that. What's that? You want to let him go? Okay. Let's give him a flying lesson, Dad. Alright, Mr. Channel Cat. Let's see if you can fly. What's that? What's the magic word? It's contact. Ho 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 ho. Brum 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 brum. Brum 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 brum. Ah! Geronimo! They turned into a paratrooper instead of a flyer. There's another one. See, they do like soft taco shells. I told you they did. Well, he's putting up a heck of a fight on this little featherlight rod, didn't he? It's another channel cat. Well, he's fat. They got no shortage of food here in this river, do they, Pop? Let's give you a flying lesson. What's the magic word? Contact. Brum, 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 brum. Start your engine. Brum, 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 brum. Ah! Geronimo. Oh, they're biting good. Look at this. What we got there? Looks like a bullhead, Dad. Those are good to eat. People like to put those in a smokehouse and smoke them. No, not like a doobie. Look at that. He's a fat little booger, too. Let's let him go. So long. It's a nice day out here. It's cloudy, but hey, it's Father's Day. Look at all those nice boats out there just waiting to go fishing with their fathers. Nice day. Fish are biting. Oh, was that a bite? Orange rod, Dad. Oh, another white one. Oh, that's a heck of a fish. What's that? He got loose? Oh, he pulled the hook. There's the one. There's you one, Dad. Get him on the little feather light rod. Yeah, that's always fun. Any fish on that seems giant. What you got? That's a bullhead. Righteous. What's that? Contact. Brum, 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 brum. Ah, Geronimo. So long, fishy. As always, it's been good fishing with you, Dad.